kairaro I te rama. He whakapaipai te mahi. E hia rau tāra kia pena tia.
For Māori providers, it's being able to be properly funded to deliver that care so that we can make dental care for all ages affordable.
He moe a tonu mō turaki healthcare, kāre anō kia whai hua, nā te mea kāre anō kia whai tākuta mō te niho.
As we haven't been able to get properly funded for it, the equipment has just laid dormant in this clinic.
Nō reira, me nau atu ki te pūnaha e takapore nei I te motu.
A lot of Māori oral health providers are already sort of leading the way and showing what it actually looks like to deliver oral health care alongside other types of health care and in a way that's, I guess, more holistic and whānau-centred than it sometimes looks like for regular private dental care.
Kua puta he paihere hau dental for all, kia utua katoatia, te whakapai niho.
They also need to resource and support the tino rangatiratanga sphere, so ensure that there's dedicated funding and support going to Māori providers.
E ai kina kai kōkiri kua tā mia te tiriti o Waitangi o te orana tonutana a te Māori.
This policy has highlighted some really key things around the alignment in equity and the alignment to Te Tiriti.
Ko te aronga hoki, kia tō pūtia nā whakaaro mo te pākeke e whiwhi whakapaipai, kāre he utu.
We are working together with another government agency to really determine how to close that gap. And this policy has highlighted some really key things around the alignment in equity.
Well, this has got to be a strategic approach. For a number of Māori providers, they can't just click their fingers and say, hey, we got services, because it actually takes a little while to establish the service and to fit it into other things that they're doing, so it becomes an integrated package of care.
Aha kua kai reira nā whakautu kei te kāwana tana te kōrero whakamutuna. Tāru Black, mātuia.